first thing I saw was the magnet, and that's pretty much a dead giveaway there. TR6060 coming in. I've heard two stories on this transmission. I don't really know what's wrong with it. This one's a little interesting because the owner told me it was a 6-gear issue. His dad actually dropped off the transmission and he told me they were having problems with the shifter that they installed, and then it was like a 4th gear problem. So I don't really know what's going on with this thing, but I'm gonna tear into it and we'll know exactly what's going on with this. I do know that it came out of a 1,000 horsepower Camaro. So yeah, it should be interesting. Maybe a lot of destruction, maybe something small, but let's tear into it. Oh, that's not looking good. Well, definitely a problem with 6th gear. Well, the first thing I saw was this magnet, and what you're looking at is a gear or two, or maybe more, in pieces. It pretty much gave up on life, and there you have it. 6th gear has seen better days. Definitely an issue with 6th gear. So part of that story is straight until we dig a little deeper and see what else we find. There it is. Alright, I got you guys set up, so you'll be the first to see it with me. When I pull the case, first look at it. Well, everything seems to be intact, but looks can be deceiving. And I'm just going to continue tearing this thing all the way down. We can get a good look at all our parts. Also, if it ends up there's nothing wrong with the rest of the transmission, everything needs to be clean. I mean, we lost 6 gear. There's some big chunks here, but I'm sure there is some fine material that's made its way on the inside of these gears, on the inner part of the shaft. So it's important that I take it all the way down, clean everything up, and that way everything's clean and I can inspect anything else if there's any other potential problems hiding under there. Well, I got everything torn down here and it's not looking good as of now. You guys all saw the 6th gear, what happened to that guy. But there's also some more damage. This counter shaft has a nice chunk taken out of it. The other gears on the main shaft aren't too bad. Shelby's hair on it, as always. The engagement teeth, you know, just normal wear on them, nothing crazy. No chipped teeth on these guys. They're looking good. But when we get to the input, again, we're gonna need a new one. And again, I'm in a situation where I can't find parts. I can find a counter shaft, I can find a 6 gear set. I cannot find an input shaft. So I'm doing some searching. I'm waiting to hear back from a few suppliers and see if I can get that. If I can't, then I cannot rebuild this. It's just gonna sit on the shelf with the other 2 transmissions that I have until the parts come in stock. And here's what's left of the 6 gear, at least all the other pieces I was fishing out of there. You guys know a good welder that can weld those teeth back onto the gear, let me know. I got my 8.8 back from powder coating. Shout out to Volusia Powder Coat. You guys do a great job. That's why I always take my stuff. This thing turned out way better than I anticipated and way better than I ever cared for it to look. So really happy with that. Still waiting on a couple parts and I'll start getting this thing assembled. I did drop the cover right on the floor when I opened the door. I was gonna probably change this to an aluminum cover, haven't decided yet, but I got a couple nicks on there, no big deal. They even did the bolts. You know, they just go above and beyond. They're meticulous like me, and I'm happy with this thing. Stay tuned for a video on that. I also did a teardown video when I first took this apart, so if you guys are interested in seeing inside one of these things or you've never seen one apart before, I'll leave the link below. Go check out that video.